Hello everyone, Marlon Carter here. Welcome to my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down below and you will be alerted if you click the icon bell on the next video that I record. In this video, I want to show you a program that I'm using called leadsleap, and I want to show you how we get traffic and leads through leadsleap. There's 4 different ways that I'm going to explain to you how to get you traffic and leads. And I'm going to be reading, so just excuse me, just follow along with me for a little bit. And this is the system that I use each and every day to bring traffic to my website. And of course, without traffic, to see what you are offering, what you're promoting online, all your promoting your business programs are in vain if you don't get anyone to see them. Okay, 4 ways to get you traffic and leads. Let me be honest with you. Our main income source comes from traffic generation. That's how we earn enough money to maintain multiple servers to power the free tools that we offer. I must say this program is free for life unless you want to upgrade later on to the pro membership. Since traffic generation is our bread and butter, you bet we are doing everything possible to make it work better and better. No snake oil here. I explained the 4 ways we use to bring you traffic and leads. You decide if they make sense to you. Advertise to leadsleap members. That's number 1. First, you can post an ad like those below. Just like these, you'll see other people ads. Just like these, yours will be just like this when you advertise. Your ad will be shown to our members. Our members are incentivized to view your ads. I know that you're thinking, I know what you're thinking. So this is just another traffic exchange or PTC program where members click an ad, wait for a 10 to 20 second countdown to lapse, then move on to another ad to earn more credit. No, such a countdown system is flawed. Let me ask, let me ask you, if there is a countdown, what will you do when the time is up? Yes, you will leave. This kind of countdown system pushes visitors away from your ad after 10 to 20 seconds instead of encouraging them to stay and learn more about your offer. We do it differently. We have created a proprietary system to measure visitors surfing duration. With this system, we know who are really surfing and how long they'll surf. We reward members based on their surfing duration. The longer they surf your ad, the more credits they earn. If your offer is interesting, they are incentivized to stay and find out more. Read our blog and see what others say about our unique and viewing system. Read here. Just click there. Click here. Once you get over to my site, once you come over here, you're going to be able to get your account for free. I mean, this is a lifetime membership. And where else can you get a membership or a program that you can advertise for free for life? Okay, our members include affiliate marketers, website owners, bloggers, and individuals looking for ways to make money, more money, and get more traffic. If you are if they are your target audience, you wouldn't want to miss this chance to reach out to them free. Wow, this is testimony. Wow, I'm blown away at how Kenneth Carr, leadsleap founder, has constantly taken this program to new levels. Honestly, I have only been using this system for a few months, But the utility of the lead program never ceases to amaze me. When I check my advertising to see which ads are performing the best, leadsleap is always at the top of the list in sending me lots of traffic. That's Keith Dyer. That's his testimony. And then you just come over here and read the rest of the 4 ways to advertise on leadsleap and how you can get signups and leads. And that was just one way that I read to you. And there you have it, the 4 ways we use to get you traffic. Do they make sense? If they do, why not join us now? Join Leaf Family now. You can join for free. I just wanted to say, give you that little outline of one of the 4 ways that we get you traffic and leads. You can come over here and read the rest for yourself. And I just love this program. I've been using it for a while. I'm getting in leads, and people are seeing my advertisement every day, and I just love it. I'm just logging in here. Pause for a couple of seconds to log in. And as you can see, this is my background. You see the advertisement, the the ads that I was telling you about. Your ads would go in here as well. When people come in, they can see your ads, especially in the review section. I like this section right here. People all over, and we have what do we have? We have oh. Let me do this again. I'm going to show you how many people we have. We have 171,400 members of today. Real visitors sent 56.2 million. App used 81.3 thousand. How these work, which how you want to know, which how you want to know, and then you can just click here how I get traffic, how I benefit from list manager, how I benefit from page builder. All this you can come over and get the information for yourself. And if you want to join up, get you a free account right here. And this is my back office. I am a pro member. See up here, I am a pro member. You can get as a free member, you can post free ads, and this is where I started at right here. These are my ads when I came in as a free member, and people will see my ads just like they will see your ads, like it would be placed in somewhere in the background or on the side, and you surf and earn credit. Once you come over here, you're going to click on someone else's ad. This will come up. Instruction from leadsleap to the link should have open in a new window. If not, click this. I always click this and bring me to that site, and I look at this person's site. At the same time, I'm gaining credits. You will see your credits here, and she say, "Welcome back. It's your first ad. Click today. Keep it up." So I make it my business to surf 10 ads a day, and that's where that my ads will be exposed. Your ads will be exposed as well. You're gonna get traffic to your ads. I am a pro member. Right here, I have 6 different sites. I have some on pause. The ones I want active, you see right here, the status is active. And so I'm gaining traffic. Real visits to this site right here for the last 7 days. I gained 133 visits. Real visit was 1,589 since 2022. It was second month. On the 18th day, I started with this ad, and I'm getting traffic daily to this ad. My total visits is 7,182 visits, and I just love working this system each and every day. You're gonna love it here as well. Come over once you get to a certain place over here on the left side. You gotta click just like the pro ads. You can go always go to the top. You're gonna have a tutorial that explains to you what it's all about, and you can do a search for whatever you want. Over here on the left hand side, how to post, activate an ad, how to upload an image using a mobile device. All this is taught to you. You will not get lost in this. Already have mailed out our broadcast my members. Uh, I have unique members. I build a list. I don't want to go to list manager. uh, I will show you the list manager. The reason I don't want to go over there because I will be exposing people personal information. But I do have people I can email. I can set up email addresses. I mean, not address, but email messages that people will look. They will open. They will click on it, and I'm constantly bringing in people every day to my leadsleap. You have an autoresponder. This is the series. You can set it up, and your autoresponder will go out whenever you set it to go out. And then you can broadcast daily. You can send out a broadcast and to your people. Broadcast is just a newsletter or something that you would send out for that day. And you got your funnel builder, you got your page builder. You can even build pages. Here's one of the pages I built right here. This is a capture page. You can set one up for yourself. And I got to end this video because I've taken up a little time to explain uh, what it is I love about leadsleap. I do love this program, and I think that if you're a marketer, if you're promoting online, this will benefit you as well, and you will love it too, just like I do. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. We will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye now.